Hi, I'd like to give you a tour of my photo studio today. Let's go on inside. Welcome to my world. This is my second photo studio in my career. I'm very proud of it. Okay, here you can see this is a special camera I use for photographing my portraits. Up here we have the studio mascot. This guy is Sharky. He is a prop from a cosplay shoot that we did many years ago. Okay. Here you can see the workstation where I do all my retouching and photo finishing. This lovely young lady on the monitor right now is Mary Kuznetsova, a fashion model and influencer here in the Bay Area. Over here we have the dressing area. It's only a shoji screen, but it does the job quite nicely. You can see we have the backgrounds, and then way over on the other side of the room, we have the makeup station. This is where the makeup artist will work on your hair and makeup, making you polished and camera ready. And up here we have a few more of my toys, my crowns, my finials, and my star. These are things that I keep around because I think they're a little fun. And then over here, we have the customer station. This is where the customers keep their jewelry and watches and phones and purses and things right next to the door so we don't forget them. Okay? And that is my photo studio. I want to thank you very much for taking the time to take a look at it today, and I hope to see you in the studio very soon.